Are we all made from stardust? Whether it's a human being or any other life form, all living things are made up of certain basic elements. While many elements play a role in life, a few are essential and found in large quantities. The rest exist in very small amounts. The four main elements that form the foundation of life are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These elements make up most of the body mass of living beings. They are the building blocks of life, forming the basic structure of organisms. These elements combine in various ways to create a wide variety of chemical compounds and complex molecules. Let's look at where these life-essential elements came from. To understand the chemistry of life, we need to trace the origin of these elements. Interestingly, they did not exist immediately after the Big Bang. They were formed much later. And if they had not been formed, and if they were not there, the chemistry of life would not have started, or life would not have existed at all. After the Big Bang, huge gas clouds began to form in space, primarily made up of hydrogen gas. Under the force of gravity, these gas clouds collapsed, giving rise to the first generation of stars, known as primary stars. These early stars had relatively short lifespans compared to stars like our Sun, which is a secondary star. Inside these primary stars, hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium in a process called nuclear fusion. Over time, as the hydrogen fuel in the core got used up, fusion reactions started creating heavier and heavier elements. This process continued until iron was formed in the core. Eventually, when the star's fuel is nearly exhausted, gravity causes the core to collapse, and if the conditions are right, the star ends its life in a massive explosion known as a supernova. This explosion scatters all the elements formed inside the star out into space. These scattered materials eventually come together again under gravity, forming new stars and planetary systems. This is how secondary stars like our Sun and planets like Earth were formed, from the debris of earlier stars. So everything we see around us, including ourselves, is made from elements that were born in the heart of a star. As Carl Sagan beautifully put it, we are made of stardust. It is awe-inspiring to think that the molecules in our bodies were once part of a star's core. That's all for this one. Part 2 will be on the next video.